Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. This is weird. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a while, but I'm moving. I'm going to pick up my key. Haven't packed a damn thing. Let's go. Hello, welcome back to Livin Large with LCruu. I'm Ren, and this is so exciting because I'm moving. Well, I've already moved, and this is the vlog, but I'm just really excited to share this with you because I feel like this has just been such a long time coming. It feels like the start of a new chapter that I've really been looking for and really eager to start, and to unlock a new creativity, to learn more about myself, and just really fully bloom in this chapter of my life. And so thank you for being here. Okay, so I'm here trying to pick up my key. The parking situation, it's not bad, but it's definitely gonna take some getting used to. But yeah, I'm excited to just get the key. Mostly I'm saying that because like when I have a lot of stuff to move in or out, like right now I am like trying to move some of this crap in to the new place, and I'm not exactly close because they're like cutting down branches or something right in front of my apartment right now. Oh, see, I gotta look at that, at what that says about parking. I'm like so nervous but so excited. Y'all, it's here, I'm here, and I can't believe it. It's my new room. I'm gonna be definitely doing an entire like apartment tour video once we're all settled in, but today is literally day one of us gonna get settled in. They just painted like today. So it's all the fresh paint smells and it's echoing and it's wonderful. This is like so fucking exciting. Amazing sneak peek. I just feel so excited. I feel like this is the beginning of the new chapter. I'm so like, all right, I had to change it up a little because I'm sweating to death, but I'm gonna start the journey by making sure I ain't got no spiders up in here. The last thing I'm gonna do before heading out for the first time is do a little sage smudge, and I want to like, give a disclaimer just that I understand the native traditions and I want to honor that in doing this. This is not just me being like super appropriative of culture. I find that this tradition is I don't know, it's something I feel like I resonate with, and I want to take that into my new home. So I'm gonna do a little sage cleanse around the place, and then I can't wait to like actually get settled in over the next couple of weeks because it's gonna take a while. I think just having a moment alone here, I want to honor this new space and this new chapter of life, and in doing so, this new chapter of the spiritual journey that I've been on. Put more energy into connecting with my spirit guides. And I feel like having a space like this, having my own space, a beautiful space to share and to create. So it's been a few days since I started to try and move my stuff in. I literally picked the worst time to try and move because I had to get stitches the other day. And so my hand is useless. I can't move squat. I'm gonna miss you. My nice, kind mother is taking me to the store. Yay! Oh, go. Wow, it really is that time of the year. The best time of the year. It's getting real, y'all. It's getting real. It's like so empty in here. My dad went and got the van because he's the best ever, and we're gonna start loading it up. It's just like you pay by the hour, so I'm like trying to move quickly, but it's also like I just feel like this is gonna end up costing me $5 million, but it's all right. Let's go.
You know, I saw them in concert.
No way, for real?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, Mick Jagger.
So there's not enough room for me in the truck, so I have to drive separately, which is kind of annoying. But I guess it's fine that I gassed up already. It's annoying because I'm gonna go down and back just to go back again for the Full Moon Festival tonight. But it's all good. I can't complain. This is what I chose. That's just life. But I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Let's go, people. So I'm very surprised that we got to the apartment and it's not that hot in there, even without AC. So I'm kind of not sure what my dad's trying to do, but everybody okay? Oh my gosh, for sure. Do you need help? I could probably take it there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just drag it in. You can drag it probably, right? Right? Oh, you guys are so strong. Thank you. Oh.
No, first you push out.
I feel like I'm watching Pivot.
Ready? I'm gonna pull the bottom towards me.
You got it. Go ahead.
Oh. Oh, amazing. They don't make this very easy.
Did not shoot.
Oh no.
You know, when he did that, I thought he was saying something to you in Italian.
My shoe.
My shoe.
I mean,
I thought I was saying,
my shoe. So, I mean, if you want to just put it together and I can slide it around later as necessary?
No, you put the...
It's pretty heavy. Why don't we put it where it's going now? It's not light.
She wants it here.
I think right there against the...
Push it back. This thing by swats the fabric.
And like reupholster it?
Well, kind of. Put the sheet down here before you put that on.
We could do that.
It's up to you.
Not too bad. See, it's still spacious enough. I think I'm gonna put the other white thing right here and call it a day, pretty much. Okay, so just like all of life, things never really... Why am I so far? So just like all of life, things don't always go as planned. This AC unit that a friend gifted to me isn't big enough. It is literally too small for my window. So that's frustrating because we do not have AC here. And so I'm trying to like move in and like I can't until I can like breathe. Like I said, today's a little bit cooler than it has been, like 82, which is still freaking hot. And I get so much natural light, which is amazing. It's just, what's the word? It's still sweaty. This is exhausting, but it's also awesome. My AC unit was set up so ratchetly, but my dad's gonna save the day with some wood paneling that he's gonna help me with in a couple days. I'm not very good at these things apparently, but I'm trying to figure it out as I go. And I'm just kind of winging it. I finally got some lighting in the living room. Here's what we're working with for now. I had to get some light bulbs. I'm really trying to just be grateful for every step of the way. Even like the super stressful parts, I want to like remember how I'm feeling and like journal about it and just take it all in because I feel like I'm learning so much. And it's not like I've never lived out on my own before. Like I literally did college and for 4 years, like, I don't know. I just feel like Chicago is so different and just like learning where everything is, how things operate, public transportation, what makes the most sense of when to go grocery shopping, parking spots. Like there is so much to learn and get used to, but I'm just excited and taking all of this as it is. I'm really excited to do like the whole apartment tour, little vlog moment with you all, but we definitely have some more pampering to do. We have a lot more decorating and rearranging and such to do, so I'm excited though. And so here I'm back to tell you to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that when I upload the full apartment tour and what you can expect in the city of Chicago for what we pay, make sure you're subscribed because that video will be coming soon. In the meantime, keep living large and I'll catch you on the flip.